Hello guys, welcome back. So this video is about DXY, uh, whatever is happening on the DXY with the news and what DXY is shooting down and falling down. I mean, I'm just going to explain what is happening with the DXY purely from the chart, purely from CRT point of view. So just hang in there. Let me explain how this is working in regards with gold as well. So let's dive in. So first of all, you should watch. You should definitely. You should have already seen by now. We have already got a yearly turtle soup. I don't know if you guys have noticed this. We have got a yearly soup. So this was 2025 candle, and this is 2026 candle. So you could see 2026 had soup this candle. So we got a turtle soup, perfect turtle soup on the yearly, which didn't happen for a while. If you see the range from CRT point of view, I would say this is the range. Let me go this way. This is the range where all others are. If you see all of the candles, if you see this one, 2023, 2024, 2025, and 2026 are all are inside bars. The key range CRT range candle is 2022. So we are playing inside this candle range. So we are just going up and down, up and down. So we are still yet to get this huge turtle soup, which is this candle. So I feel if we get it this year, which is in 2026, then and if it closes inside this range, which is the 2022 candle range, then next year we have a good chance of dollar shooting up, which is should be, this is a 50%. It's 50%. So let's say this 2026 candle got souped and 2027 candle just went flying to the 50%. Then we are back in business with the dollar, and all these news is saying the dollar is going down and there's no value and all that will vanish. So this year is always gonna be the soup year, the turtle soup year, which is this candle, and the next year should be the push. And if it doesn't happen in this year, then maybe the next year. Or if it doesn't suit this candle, then you guys know what we have to look for. We have an SMT with euro and we have an SMT with GU. So you need to look for that in that chart. So that is exactly what is happening on the DXY, guys. And let me show you this weekly outlook. Yeah, so look at this. You could clearly see, right? We were ranging, and finally, boom, here comes the candle, which wants to soup the previous year, and we can expect another candle next week over here, which will do the double tap. I hope I haven't taught you guys about the double tap theory. Maybe in the next video, I will teach you about the double tap. So this should double tap, and then the next candle should shoot up. So this all depends on what gold is doing, and if you can go watch gold right away, right now, today, which is I'm recording on Jan 30th. You could go and watch gold. Gold is falling, so it's inversely correlated to the dollar. So you could see that this dollar is coming up, so gold is going down. So if you could see it on the daily chart, I'm still expecting a soup below this candle. So most probably next week. And if we close above this candle, we have a perfect order block. So watch out for this candle, guys. This should be the range for our daily. And if we close above, then we have a perfect long position for DXY. And also you have to look for the monthly candle. Monthly is closing exactly in 2 more days, which is today is the last trading day. So the next 2 days is a weekend. So Monday is a monthly candle opening. So where do we stand on the monthly? You could see that this candle was the range. Let me explain. This was the range for the monthly. Let me change the color so that you guys don't get confused. This was the range. This was closed over here. And then the next range was this one. And the next range was this candle. And that was closed. Here it is. So October month was the candle. And November was the soup. And like I said, the next candle pushed down. This is the same thing I explained for the yearly. 2026 will be the soup if it soups, and 2027 will be the fall. I mean, it's not the fall. For the DXY, it will be going up. And look, for the monthly, it was October, key candle. November was the soup, and December was a distribution. And like Romeo says, it always stops near the TP, I mean the CRT high and low. Always when the target is reaching, it always closes inside, and the next candle goes up, manipulates all the other traders thinking that we're going to go on the wrong direction. It stops out a lot of people who have put their stops in break even, and then comes pushing down to your target, which is this one. You gotta watch out for this monthly closing in 2 days, and then watch out for the next month opening, and then maybe soup below, maybe take off this candle, and then maybe the next month or maybe somewhere in March or April, it should push up if it is according to the CRT terms. So watch out for that, guys. I'm sure that's how it's gonna work out. Because if you look at gold, gold is already giving a reverse. Let me check where is gold. Look at this. So if you look at gold, yeah, gold is closing above. You gotta look at silver for SMT. You could watch here. The gold is, this was a monthly range. We got the soup, and the next candle is shooted up, and it's closing above this monthly. So watch out. We definitely have next month which should soup up, or if the DXY pushes up, then we are going to go straight down with an SMT with a silver and also with copper. Please do check silver and copper for SMTs, because gold we always check silver and copper together. So do check for SMTs there. Let's look at the weekly. Weekly is still not closed inside, and daily. Look at this. Daily is closed inside, and we have an order block here. This candle is the order block. Go and watch out in silver. You would see this clearly forming a 4-hour order block. So you guys know what that means. On the weekly, if we are retracing below and if we are closing inside this range, then that 4-hour order block is in play, guys. So you can expect this as a retracement if we are going to close inside for silver. So please do check out silver, how it is going to play out, and watch out for the markets next week. It's going to be very interesting. It's going to be the first week of the month. I'm sure it's going to be very, very interesting, and I'm looking forward to it. Yeah. So that's my video on DXY. I hope you guys learned something. And if you had already noticed the yearly turtle soup, please do let me know in the comments that you had already seen it. I'm sure many of you have not noticed that. But if you have done it, please let me know. I would be super proud to know that you guys are watching on the yearly chart as well. So, yeah, guys, thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next video, which is going to be the only key levels which is required for a CRT trader, which you guys already know, but I will explain in my point of view. And so please do let me know what kind of videos you're looking for. And if you like to see the perfect turtle soup, if you like to see a perfect order block, if you like to do 4 hour entries, if you like to do daily entries, if you like to do weekly, please do let me know, because I'm just trying to help you guys in whatever way I can so that you get the most of it. So, yeah, do let me know, guys. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.